The Find and Replace feature in Google Sheets is a handy tool that helps you locate specific data and, if needed, replace it with something else. While randomly reviewing the Fortune 1000 spreadsheet, I noticed that Cardinal Health is misspelled. I can manually fix this, which is easy to do. I want to check if the word health is misspelled elsewhere in the spreadsheet, then fix those also, but I want to do it in a less manual way. We can use the Find and Replace feature to accomplish this. To do this, click Edit on the menu. Next, select Find and Replace. The Find and Replace dialog box displays. Next, type a search phrase in the Find field. I will type the misspelled version of health I want to find. Now, type the text you want to replace it with in the Replace With field. I will type the correct spelling of health. There are other search settings that can be customized, including which sheets to search in the spreadsheet. There are also options to match the case, or to match the entire contents of the cell. I will leave the default settings in this simple example. Next, click Find. The first instance of the value in the Find field has been located. Just simply click Replace. The found value is replaced, then the next instance of a found value is selected. You can keep clicking Replace or click Replace All if you want to replace all the remaining values at once. There are no more matching entries, so I will click Done. In this lesson, you learned how to use the Find and Replace feature to replace text in your spreadsheet.